it's me again. And by the way, I do not play guitar.
I taught her everything she knows, and that's my guitar.
Yeah, and right now I'm going to be playing and saying Mary Had a Little Lamb. Then afterwards, I'm going to be playing Ode to Joy. OMG!
OMG!
Hope you like it. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.
Yeah!
I know! Okay, let's play Ode to Joy now. Okay, you can have us back now.
Thank you. And goodbye.
No, no goodbye yet! I want to talk to them. But first of all, I want to tell them something. Subscribe me to that big yellow box, and then comment me down below, then go back up and rate me 5 stars. 5 stars, yeah. Okay, now bye.
And remember, it's my guitar.